So in this video, we're going to start solving problems from exercise 4.2 from chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. So let's see what the first problem is. Okay, so let's bring this down. Okay, let's read what the problem is. Okay, let me try to zoom in a bit. Okay, which one of the following options is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has number 1, a unique solution. Number 2, only two solutions. Number 3, infinitely many solutions. Okay, so clearly, first of all, when you look at this equation, we have to understand that this equation is a linear equation. Obviously, it's a linear equation, but in how many variables? In exactly one variable. Okay, what is that variable? That variable is x. So, okay, this is that variable x. So, given y is equal to 3x plus 5 is a linear equation in one variable. And we know that all the linear equations in one variable have exactly how many solutions? They have exactly one solution. Okay, every linear equation in one variable has exactly one unique solution. Okay, so from the given options, option number 1, a unique solution, will be the right answer. And we have to also explain which of the following is true and why. Why? Because it is a linear equation in one variable. And every linear equation in one variable has only one solution. So that's how we have solved problem number 1. Let's erase this now. Yes. Now let's see what is problem number 2. Yes. So let's try to zoom in a bit. Okay. Now, problem number 2 reads, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Okay, so before that, we have to, let's make a mark, let's make a remark, not a mark, a remark, that a linear equation in two variables, okay, linear equation in two variables has how many solutions? It has infinitely many solutions. Okay, it has infinitely many solutions. This is an important observation or an important, let's say, property of every linear equation in two variables. This is very important. This applies only for linear equations in two variables. Now, if you look at these linear equations that are given to us, all of these linear equations are equations in two variables. What are those two variables? I'm going to try to highlight. So here it's variable x, variable y. Here also it's variable x, variable y. Here also it's variable x and variable y. So all the three equations that are given to us, these three equations, are linear equations in two variables. It means they will have infinite many solutions. Okay. Now what has been asked is we have to just find out 4 solutions. Okay. Just find out 4 solutions for each of the following. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve only first equation, and the rest of them have exactly same process which you can solve at your own leisure. So let's take this equation. So the given equation is 2x plus y is equal to 7. So the procedure that we follow is we take random values of x and we take random values of x. Okay, so this is my x, this is my y. We'll take random 4 values for x. So I'll start with 0, 1, 2, 3. And for these random 4 values of x, we can find the corresponding 4 values of y, which will satisfy this given equation. Okay, so let's start it. So the first one is x. So I'm going to say here, let x be equal to 0. Therefore, it will be 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 7. Therefore, it will be 0 plus y is equal to 7, and 0 plus y is y. So y will be equal to 7. So for x equal to 0, we have y as equal to 7. Okay, done. Now let's erase this. Now let's take x as equal to 1. So for x is equal to 1, we'll have 2 into 1 plus y as equal to 7. Therefore we get, okay, therefore we get 2 plus y as equal to 7, and therefore y will be equal to 7 minus 2, which will be equal to 5. So for x equal to 1, the corresponding value of y has to be 5. Now once again, let's erase this and let's go for quickly let's go for x equal to 2. Sorry. So for x equal to 2, therefore we will get 2 into 2 plus y as equal to 7, and therefore we have 4 plus y as equal to 7, and therefore y will be equal to 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. So for x equal to 3, for x equal to 2, y will be equal to 3. Yes. And now finally last we have x as equal to 3. So let's quickly write it. X is equal to 3, and therefore 2 into 3 plus y is equal to 7, and therefore 6 plus y is equal to 7, and therefore y will be equal to 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. So here the value will be 1. And now thus, let's erase all this. Yes. And now thus, for this equation, 2x plus y equal to 7, 2x plus y equal to 7, I have randomly taken 4 values of x and I have got the 4 values of y. So this is, in fact, I'm going to use a highlighter now. This is the first solution. Okay, this is the second solution. This pair is third solution and this pair is fourth solution. These all are the required, okay, 4 solutions. These are all 4 solutions of the given equation. Okay, so we can take any random value for x. We can even take negative numbers and we can even take rational numbers. You can take negative numbers, rational numbers, positive numbers, whatever numbers possible. You can put them as x and you'll get the corresponding value of y. So in a very similar fashion, we will solve this second problem and third problem also similarly, which I'm not going to do. So we are going to skip that and erase all these things. Okay. Now let's move to question number 3. Yes, this is question number 3. Let's try to bring it like this. Yes, this is question number 3. Okay, let's try to read it. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation this and which are not. Again, quite simple and straightforward. This is a equation which is given to us, x minus 2y equal to 4. It is a linear equation in how many variables? It's a linear equation, 2 variables, x and y. Okay. Now, as we know that linear equation 2 variables have infinitely many solutions possible. So, some of these pairs of solutions, some of these pairs of numbers will be a valid solution and some of them will not be. So we have to just substitute these values of x and y, 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 and try to find it out. So quite simple. Let's go step by step. So the first one is 0 and 2. So I'll write the equation once again, x minus 2y. Okay, let's use a different color. So x minus 2y equal to 4. This is our given equation. Okay. Now the first, yes. So the first pair is x equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. Okay. So this is the first pair that I'm picking out. Okay. X equal to 2 and y is equal to, x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. So nothing, we have to just substitute. Therefore, if you substitute, so therefore it will be 0 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, it will be 0 minus 4 is equal to 4. And therefore, it will be minus 4 is equal to 4. Is minus 4 equal to 4? Obviously not. Minus 4 is not equal to 4. Which means that these two values of x and y do not satisfy this equation. Which means this is not a solution of this equation. So, what we are going to do is erase all these things. Yes, and we're just going to mark here cross. So cross, this is not the valid solution of the equation. Now let's go to our second pair that is given to us, which is, I'm going to write here, second pair given is x equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Okay, let's substitute that. So left hand side, which is x minus 2y, so that will be equal to 2 minus 2 into 0. That will be equal to 2 minus 0. That will be equal to 2. So left hand side is 2. But what is my right hand side? This right hand side is 4. So 2 is definitely not equal to 4, which means I am going to cross out the second one also. This is not a valid solution. for the given equation. So similarly, you just take each and every pair that is given to us, pair number 3, pair number 4, pair number 5, and try to substitute and check if it's a valid solution or not. So we'll do this last one, third one, and fourth and fifth you can do on your own. So in this case, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Therefore, it will be 4 minus 2 into 0. This is my LHS. So I'll write it. Therefore, LHS left hand side is equal to this. That is equal to 4 minus 2 into 0 is 0. That is equal to 4. And this 4 is in fact equal to RHS, which is our right hand side. So this is our right hand side. So LHS is equal to RHS. When I am substituting x equal to 4 and y equal to 0, my LHS is equal to RHS. So this means that this is a valid solution 4, 0 for this linear equation in two variables. Similarly, we should do the similar approach for fourth one and fifth one, which I'm going to skip in this video, and try to find if they are valid solutions or not. So let's erase this. Okay, and now we come to the last problem in this exercise what is exercise number 4.2? Yes, let's read what the problem is. Problem number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation this. Okay, kind of similar to the previous problem. This is a given equation. Okay, it's a linear equation in two variables. What are those two variables? One is x and one is y. Now, there is third unknown variable in this equation, which is k. Let's use a different color, this one. And we don't know the value of k, and we have to find the value of k. Now, how do we find the value of k? There is an important piece of information that is given in this question. And what does it say? That this x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Let's highlight it. X equal to 2 and y equal to 1. These are the solution of the given equation. Which means if you put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, it satisfies the equation. Okay, it's a valid solution for this equation. So all we have to do is just substitute these values. So I'm just going to write here given equation. So what is the given equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay, and then I want to say substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Okay, why are we substituting? Because it is a valid solution of this equation. This is a given piece of information. So if we substitute, what do we get? Yes, so therefore we'll get 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k, and therefore 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3, that is equal to k, and therefore 4 plus 3 7 is equal to k. So thus we have found the value of k, which is equal to 7 from this given piece of information. That's all. We have solved all the 4 questions of exercise 4.2 from chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables.